Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to add a credit card to Cash App in 2025. Cash App is a fantastic tool for managing your money, sending payments, and even investing, but adding a credit card can sometimes feel a bit tricky. Don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step, so you can get set up quickly and securely. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Cash App installed on your phone. This is crucial because app updates often include new security features for 2025. Once you're good to go, open the app and log into your account. You'll land on the home screen, which shows your balance and recent activity. Next, tap on the profile icon or the Banking tab. It's usually in the bottom right corner. Look for the Add Bank or Add Card option. In 2025, Cash App has made this even more straightforward with a dedicated Payments section. Select Add Credit Card from the menu that pops up. Now, you'll need to enter your card details carefully. That includes the card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Nobody wants a declined transaction later. After you've entered the info, Cash App might ask for verification. This could be a small test deposit or a quick SMS code, depending on your bank's policies. Once verified, hit Confirm, and you're all set. Pro tip: always use a secure network when adding financial details, and keep an eye on your account for any unauthorized activity. Cash App's enhanced 2025 security features, like biometric login, make this even safer. And just like that, you've successfully added your credit card. Now you can make purchases, send money, or even get cashback rewards. If you run into any issues, like an error message, try updating your app or contacting Cash App support. They're super helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. What's your favorite Cash App feature? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.